In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving complex numbers using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions. Now, after going through this video, I guarantee you guys that you will basically be able to solve any complex numbers you encounter using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions. Easy and fast, so ensure you stay with me to the very end of this video. As usual, you guys are going to learn a lot. So having known that, let's quickly look at the questions we have here and get started. So if you observe carefully, you will notice that we have 7 questions to practice with. So after solving these questions with you guys here, you'll be in a better position to tackle or solve similar problems you meet with the calculator. Alright, so let's get the calculator now and get started. So this is the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. The very first thing you will have to do will be to reset it to put it in default mode. So to reset, just press the second button, press this plus button, then press 7 for reset. You press 1 to reset all RAM, press 2 and it will begin to reset all RAM. Done. Press this clear button. Alright, so let's begin with question 1 is addition of complex numbers. It says if z1 equals this value and z2 equals this value, find z1 plus z2. Alright, so we have addition. Guys, put them in brackets, very important. So we have in brackets, what we have there is 4 minus 5i. So 4 minus 5i. So bring out the I symbol, press this second button and this button here, this dot button to come out. Okay. Alright, then plus open another bracket. So we have 6 plus 13i. 6 plus 13i. Second and this button. So that's it. Close the bracket. We are good to go. Let's press enter. So we have the output to be 10 plus 8i. So it's as simple as that. Let's go to the next question. Subtraction. Clear this. So subtraction, we have z1 to be this and z2 to be this. Find z1 minus z2. So guys, minus 6 plus 4i is for z1. So in bracket, now guys, make use of this negative sign. Whenever you want to start an expression with a negative sign, always make use of this one here below. Alright, don't use this one, it will end up giving you error as an output. So we have minus 6 plus 4i. Okay, press second and this button, close the bracket, then minus in bracket we have 5 plus 9i. Second and this button, close the bracket. Alright, so let's be sure. Yeah, that's what we have there. Okay, so let's press enter now to get our output. So we have it to be what? Minus 11 minus 5i. So that's it for that question. Let's clear this. Let's go to the next one. So the next one is what? Multiplication. We are giving z1 to be this and z2 to be this. Find z1, z2. Now product of the complex numbers. Okay, so let's go and do it, guys. So in bracket we have 5 plus 9i. Second and this button. Alright, close the bracket. Now you can choose to put this multiplication sign here or you can choose not to, but let's just put it, guys, to make it standard. So times this, we have next one is 7 minus 4i. 7 minus 4i. Second and this button. Okay, so that's it. Close the bracket. Now let's press enter to get the output. Okay, 71 plus 4i. Alright, so that's it for question 3. So let's clear this and solve for the next one, which is what? Division. So we got 71 plus 43i for multiplication. So for division, we have z1 to be this and z2 to be this. Determine z1 over z2. So this is division, guys. Alright, so let's do it, guys. Z1 is 2 plus 3i. So we have in brackets 2 plus 3i, second and this button. Okay, divide by, so we have in brackets 5 plus 7i, second and this button. So that's it, close the brackets. Let's now press enter to get the output. Okay, so we have it to be 0.418 plus 0.013 I. So guys, if you are leaving this value in 3 decimal places, so you're going to have it to be 0.418 plus 0.013 I. Alright, so that's the output, the answer to this question 4. Alright, so we're making progress. Let's go over to question 5. This time I want modulus. So we have to find the modulus of z given that z equals 4 plus 2i. Very simple. Let's clear this, guys. Now to find modulus, you will have to go to this place, math. Alright, press math and then go to this place. You will see complex. So once you get to complex, you see a drop down list of options. Now guys, take note of this. Modulus is the same thing as the absolute value. Alright, so in this calculator they are using absolute value in the place of modulus. Alright, so we are going to go for option 5. So absolute value of what? Absolute value of 4 plus 2i. So we have 4 plus 2i. To bring out the I, press second and this button, and this is it, guys. So let's press enter now to get the output. So we have it to be what? 4.47. Alright, so this is the modulus of the complex number, or absolute value of the complex number. Alright, so that's it, guys, for this question 5. So let's go back to question 6. We have to find the argument and conjugate of z equals 5 plus 3i. Alright, so let's wipe this clear. So let's begin with argument. So you go back to maths, okay, then come to complex. Now argument is talking about the angle in the complex numbers. So here we're going to go for option 4. So you press 4. So the angle of 5 plus 3i, 5 plus 3i, second and this button. Alright, close the brackets. So that's it, guys. Let's press enter now to get the output. So we have it to be 0.540. Now guys, this is the answer in radian. There are some questions they will leave the options in degree for you to pick the answer. Alright, so if you want to convert this output now into an answer in degree, alright, so all you have to do is to press this mode button to change it from radian to degree. So when you come down, you navigate down this place within radian, you switch to the left, press this right arrow key, so to come here, press enter. Okay, so it has now changed to degree. Alright, so let's clear this now, and if you press enter again now, you see that this value will change to a degree number. Press enter. So you see we now have 30.96, which is approximately 31 degree. Alright, so when you check the values you are having in the options and not rhyming with what you have as the radian output, then you will know that the answers or the options are left in degree. You then have to put your calculator in degree to get the equivalent of the radian in degree. Alright, so it's as simple as that. Let's clear this, guys. So that's it for the argument. Now to get a conjugate, just go back to maths. Alright, come to complex. So conjugate option 1. Alright, so conjugate of what? 5 plus 3i. 5 plus 3i. Second and this button. Close the bracket. Alright, press enter. So we have it to be what? 5 minus 3i. So that's it, guys. So for the last question, resolve this value 3 plus 4i in polar form. Now guys, before we solve this last question, if you are new to this channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button now to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also, like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what you're learning from this video. I really appreciate that, guys, and it also helps the YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to more people out there to notice. So having done that, guys, let's go ahead and solve this last question. This expression is in rectangular form. We want to convert it to polar form. Alright, so to do this, let's get a calculator, clear this. Firstly, enter the complex number there, 3 plus 4i. So we have 3 plus 4i. You press second and this button. Alright, so once you do this, press enter. Okay, so we want to convert this output, this rectangular form, into a polar form output. Alright, to do this, so you go back to maths. Alright, complex. So you want to convert this value from rectangular form to polar form, so you press 7. Alright, so from rectangular form to polar form is what we want. Press 7. So answer to polar form, yes, press enter. So you will see this will give you the value in polar form. So this is the value in polar form, guys. So take note of this. Alright, this is 5 angle 53.13. Know the symbol for angle. Alright, so this is the output for this in polar form. Now if you want to convert it back to rectangular form, all you have to do is to go back to maths. Alright, go to complex, then from polar form to rectangular form, which is option 6. Alright, answer to rectangular form, press enter. It will get back to this 3 plus 4i. Alright, so guys, this is basically how you can solve problems involving complex numbers using this TI-84 plus scientific calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video here, guys. If you are new to the channel, once more, ensure you hit the subscribe button now to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding the things I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Alright, so that's it for this class, guys. Thanks for watching, and click on the end screen above and I'll see you in my next video. Alright, so just reset the calculator. Once you're done, just press second, but this plus button, press 7, press 1 and press 2. Alright, it will do that. Okay, press clear button.